He was broke, betrayed, and sleeping on a cold floor with nothing but one crazy dream. Everyone said it was over for him. But what he did next shocked the entire world. He had everything once: a job, a family, a future, until life decided to test him. Within months, he lost his savings, his friends, and his peace. The people who once smiled at him now turned their backs, and the silence of failure became his only companion. One night, he stared at the ceiling and whispered, "Yo Allah, either end this pain or give me the strength to change it." That night didn't end his pain, but it lit a fire inside him. He realized, if no one believed in him, he would believe in himself. He started from nothing, learning, failing, and trying again. He worked when others slept. He believed when others doubted. And years later, the man they once called finished built an empire. Remember this: when you lose everything, you also lose fear. And when fear is gone, you become unstoppable. Allah doesn't break you to destroy you. He breaks you to rebuild you into the person you were always meant to be.